Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so basically today we'll meet for you with your certification because you
Okay.
already completed your online training program for total
Yes,
7 days online training program. So
yes,
basically in this time I just ask you some question about our online training program, and you
yes,
can
sir.
simply just you can give me your honest review. Okay, so
Yeah,
further it also
sure,
give
sir.
me the more better. Okay. So basically, what do you think about after completing the online training program? Is it anyone who don't have any knowledge in the programming section, they can learn it or not? What do you think about that?
I honestly feel, sir, I also don't have any programming background language. I don't have any background about programming language because my degree is from B Civil, and I have zero knowledge about that programming language. So first time I started with JavaScript API. So with the course I got to learn everything about JavaScript API, which was sufficient for me to understand the Google Earth image.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So what motivate you to join this training program? What is the
Uh,
motivate?
Actually, sir, I have registered for PhD. As earlier I told you that I have registered for PhD, and I am working on satellite remote sensing. An application of satellite remote sensing, which is agriculture, and for that I wanted to study and uh, updated software, which is Google Earth Engine cloud-based software. So I wanted to learn that, and my guide told me that you have to learn this for your PhD. So that motivated me that I have to learn this new Google Earth Engine platform.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so how would you rate the overall content of the training program on a scale of 1 to 10?
10, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so after completing this online training program, what types of benefit you get mainly for your
Now,
research
sir,
work? Yeah.
seriously speaking, you have given me a lot of support. You have spent. I know you are always you are busy. You are publishing videos. Your training programs are continuously going on. Even from that, you have given me the online support of wherever I needed. That was one of the benefit I get from the course. Second benefit is that, sir, after learning the course, I have published two conference papers, one from vegetation health indices on one paper I have published, one paper I have published on land cover and use classification, and third paper is published in air quality monitoring using Sentinel 5P troponomy. So that paper is published in Q1 journal,
Okay, great.
Stricter Nature's Computer Science.
Okay, great.
So these two conference, one paper I have published till now, and in process I am there in publishing many more papers because of this course only.
Okay, great. Great work. Okay. Okay. Did you face any technical difficulties while accessing the material or recorded class?
No, sir. I have all the recording were properly given, and all the assignments also were properly sent.
Okay.
Yes, sir. One more thing, sir,
Yeah,
if you
please.
don't mind.
No problem, please.
Sir, I would like to continue learning from you all those new materials you are uploading on YouTube. After watching all those videos, I feel that yes, this is remaining, that is remaining. This has to be learned. This that has to be learned. So I would like to continue learning from you more and more, sir.
Okay, no problem. We continue. No problem. No problem. No
Yes.
problem.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So you will provide me that password and link.
Yeah, yeah. I'll send you soon.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.